You might be asked to deliver and set up Repose products. These are very straightforward. They come in a tube. The tube is also the pump. Just as a note, all of our equipment should come with instructions. So if you're not sure, there will be instructions for you to look at. So just open the tube. So this will come with a cushion for the patient's chair. There we go. And a mattress for their bed. Both cushion and mattress has a valve. Okay, this is a self-set valve. That's open. If I wanted to deflate the product, I put that section into there and that would deflate it. Okay, once I've blown it up, I can put that on. That's just a dust cap, okay, which will fit over there. So I'll just show you how to inflate them. So that is now going to be my pump. So that's what plugs into your valve. So that fits onto that. Just inflate. When the cushion's got enough air in, it's going to let you know that it's full, because you will hear a clunk. Okay, so if you listen carefully, we'll see if I'll shut up and then you'll see if you can hear it. Did you hear that sort of clunk when I stopped pumping? Basically, you can't get any more air into that now, so it's set itself. So I just pull that off. I'm going to put that cap on it. This strap it comes with is designed to go round the back of the chair. As you'll see, it's not very big. And a lot of chairs you're going to go and put this cushion on, this actually strap won't actually fit. So what we would do is actually, I'll show you on this chair. You put it on the chair, just tuck the strap down the back of the cushion if you can't get it around the back of the chair. Then I always get my patient to sit on the cushion and to get off the chair. Some patients on these cushions, well, some patients won't like the Repose. So report that back to us, because we've got different cushions we can try with them. Some patients slide on these. So just ask your patient to sit on it, make sure they're okay with it, make sure they can stand up comfortably from the chair and that the cushion's still in place. Some of these will go on razor recliners, so watch the patient get up from the razor recliner. Try and make sure that cushion's actually staying in place. If the cushion looks like it's going to fall off the chair, report that back to us. So that's your cushion, and then likewise with the mattress. Generally, on a single bed, these straps are great. They will fit round your mattress and at the top end of the bed. I'll just get this inflated. In there. These might not look much, but they will treat up to a grade 2 pressure ulcer, and they will actually prevent pressure ulcers from developing. So this is actually a good little product. So here that plump again. Now the air's in all the cells. Very subtle clunks though, see if you can hear that, but the air will rush out, then you'll hear this little clunk, no more air will come out, so you can't go wrong with these. Put your dust cap on. Put that under the mattress. Again, what I like to do, just ask your patient, get on the bed, get off the bed, make sure you're happy to leave it in place. This normally goes under the cotton sheet. That's it, delivered and fitted.